Dad bought this old saw probably 15 years ago. And it's a reciprocating saw, and the previous owners had dropped it or tilted it over or something and broken off part of this ear here for the handle. So I ended up having to machine it down and then machine a cap. I just cut that off with a plasma cutter, that's why that's all rough. But I machined the two down, machined the cap for it so that I could mount it in there. But yeah, it's working now. It's pretty cool to see this old stuff working. Plug it in. It doesn't have a blade in it right now, of course. It'd go right in there. And also I'm going to have to machine us a push rod for the little clamping vise there. In theory, the weight alone should allow it to sit down and cut whatever you're trying to cut. It's got a gear reduction through the belt back there. Or sorry, belt reduction. And then it's got gear reduction right here to this main flywheel with the tether point. Some pretty cool stuff.